Tired of manually changing the theme every time you start a new Gamma presentation? I get it. That little extra step feels small, but when you do it over and over again, it really adds up. It breaks your focus and wastes time. So today, I am going to show you how to set your default theme in under 30 seconds. By the end of this, your preferred design will just show up automatically on every new deck you create. No extra clicks, no repeating yourself. All right, here is the plan. We are going to go into your profile settings, find the design options, and set your preferred theme so it sticks forever. It is a simple walkthrough, and I will show you exactly where to click. So to start, you want to be on the Gamma dashboard. This is the main page you see when you first log in. Just look in the left-hand sidebar there and click on the button that says Home. That brings you to the starting point where we can access your account settings. Now, from the home screen, you need to navigate to your account. Look down to the very bottom of the left sidebar. You will see a little circle with your profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a small menu with a few account options, like your profile page, billing, and what we are actually looking for, which is the settings area. So from that menu, click on Settings. This is where Gamma keeps all your personal preferences for how the app behaves. There is a lot here, but don't let it distract you. We are on a mission. Once you are on the settings page, look across the top row of tabs. You will see options like Account, Workspace, Notifications, and the one we need, Design. Click on that Design tab. This is the control center for everything visual about your experience. And here is the really important part. This is where you tell Gamma what you want your new presentations to look like by default. Now, inside the design settings, you will see a section called Default Design. There will be a drop-down menu or a box that probably says something generic like No Preference or whatever theme you used last. Click on that box labeled Themes Preferred. This opens up the full list of themes that Gamma offers. You will see a grid of different color schemes and styles, from minimal and clean to bold and colorful. Take your time here. Scroll through the options and find the theme you want to be your new default. Maybe it is a specific color palette that matches your brand, or just a clean layout you love using. Once you spot it, just click on it to select it. I recommend picking one you know you will be happy seeing over and over again, because this is going to be your starting point from now on. And here is the satisfying part. After you make your selection, you do not have to go hunting for a save button. Gamma actually saves this change automatically. As soon as you click away, it is locked in. To be safe, you can click back to the Home tab or just refresh the page to make sure it sticks. All right, let us test this out to make sure it worked. Go ahead and click on the big plus sign or the New button to create a brand new presentation. When the new deck opens up, check the theme that loaded. It should be the one you just selected. No more manual switching, it is just there, ready for you to start working. And that is it. In just a few clicks, you have saved yourself from repeating that same chore on every single project. Now you can jump straight into creating without the friction. Thanks for following along, and happy presenting.